Anthony Thornton here, AI, Artificial Intelligence Certified AI Consultant.
Hey, it's Anthony Thornton, and I am reaching out because I want business owners that I know to benefit from what's happening right now with AI and automation. For 2 decades, I've helped businesses automate profitable systems, and now with AI, I help owners automate 3 key areas that directly increase revenue and save time in less than 21 days. First is lead capture and follow-up. So no opportunity slips through the cracks, working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for you. Second is repetitive operational tasks, freeing up 30 to 50% of your team's time. And third is social media marketing, so your business stays visible without you doing anything. The problem is this: most owners, they don't know where to start. And that's why I created a simple tool. Go to getmyfreeaiaudit.com, getmyfreeaiaudit.com, and take the free 60-second AI readiness review. It instantly shows you where automation can increase revenue and reduce wasted time. If you don't own a business but you know someone who does, please just forward this video. See, I want business owners in my circle implementing automation, not reacting to it. So if you own a business and you have a budget of at least $500 per month, $500 a month, text AI with your name and email to 678-314-7764. That's 678-314-7764. I'll talk to you soon.